Hey y'all, this is Cole with Younger Every Day, and we are enjoying snow in LA County. Come on, what? And Connor just got smacked with a snowball. Oh, and then he hit me with one. Ow! When we told everybody we were moving out to the LA area, the kids especially, we said, look, it's gonna be great. Ride your bikes outside every day. It'll be warm. We can go to the beach all the time, have lots of fun, lots of sunshine. It's gonna be awesome. We had no idea that we would see really more snow here than we saw in Texas. It's crazy. So check this out. It started snowing like crazy a little while ago, and now it's doing this stuff. Like, can you see? I don't know if y'all can see this. It's crazy. It's like little ice pellets. This is what happened earlier before a real heavy snow started falling, and then it melted off, and now we're doing this.
It looks like ice. It's in my pants. Where are my pants?
It's snowing in California.
California!
Well, California gets snow. That's not too surprising. But Southern California, I mean, I don't know. We're not in the mountains as far as I know, but you can see this. It's crazy. It's like,
It's snowing again. It's snowing again.
It's like the
this week it's
strangest
snowing. This is the
little
fourth
snow
day.
pellets.
This is the fourth day today. I mean, it's the fourth day this week it snowed.
Yeah, and in case you didn't get that, this is the fourth time this week that we've had snow, and I don't know what you call this. I mean, it's almost snow. Maybe you know what it's called. Let us know in the comments below, because I don't even know what this is. But it's awesome. It's getting in everything. It's in my hair. It's in our microphone on the camera.
My shirt. It's in my
It's in
shirt.
Connor's shirt. It's all over Ansley over there. Yay, it's snowing!
Look!
It looks like Dippin' Dots are falling from the sky.
Dippin' Dots
Just
are falling from the sky.
Ice Dippin' Dots. No flavor, just ice. All right, so now, check. So now the ice pellets have turned into flakes, like massive flakes.
Daddy, here.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's awesome. I just want to say, we're not in like Wrightwood. We're in the foothills on the other side of the Angeles National Forest from LA, but this is crazy. And like I said earlier, it's the fourth time it snowed this week. It's nuts. Flakes are huge. Can you guys see this? See if I can catch one on my hand. So yeah, the kids are like, we're not getting to play outside enough, although they are playing outside in the snow right now, but we're not getting to go to the beach and, enjoy the warmth much. And you know how Dawn feels about the cold, so she's about ready to leave this part of LA County. Oh, these flakes are awesome.
Look at this. I got one for Daddy.
Oh, thanks. Oh, he threw a snowball at me. Oh, thanks. Thanks. Oh, I missed.